Hello guys, TWC Coaster here. 2:15 here in the afternoon of October the 3rd, 2018. In 2 minutes, all phones in the United States that have service on it, so my Samsung will get the WEA, the Wireless Emergency Alert System test. And then on the television, the regular emergency alert system is going to go. So, let's see here. Let me actually pop up the clock up here. So, 1 minute to go until the test starts. So, I'm going to put my phone down. So, it's 2:16, guys. Less than a minute to go until the emergency alert system test. About 30 seconds now. Hopefully everybody is going to be, everyone that's able to record records. That will go on 2 minutes after, or so that will go off at 2:19 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Let's see here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, it's 2:17. Let me cut out my phone. "20 seconds have gone by. I'm waiting for something to come through my phone here. Nothing yet, guys. Hopefully it'll come through soon. They're probably just now sending an alert since having to go through all the cell towers and everything. So let's see here. Here it is. Alright, so it says, "This is a test of the National Wireless Emergency Alert System. No action is needed. Type Presidential Alert." So I will be taking a screenshot of that. Alright, so I got it on the TV any minute now.
With Michaels, it's that easy. Now save 50% off all Halloween decor collections and 50% off all fall floral decor. Make creativity happen with Michaels.
Anytime now for the TV. Anytime. 2:19.
When we got started, we just
Alright, guys. Any moment now. This is a test of the wireless emergency alert system. So $2.20.
This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an accident, the Federal Communications message would have followed the tone alert you heard at the start of this message. A similar wireless emergency alert test message has been sent out to all cell phones in the nation. Some cell phones will receive the message, others will not. No action is required.
So got it there, and it's still on my television. And it went over my phone again. There you go.
No action is required.
Symptoms that can hold you back. My doctor prescribed Trintellix, a prescription medicine.
Make sure you get static and not an actual station.
I'm not sure if I'm gonna get on there, but that's the emergency alert system test.